Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Parsing JSON objects in Java, a comprehensive tutorial. JSON, JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight data interchange format that is easy for humans to read and write and easy for machines to parse and generate. It's widely used for transmitting data between a server and a web application, or for storing configuration data. In Java, you can parse JSON data using various libraries. This tutorial will primarily focus on using the popular org.json and Jackson libraries, providing detailed explanations and practical code examples. Understanding JSON structure. Before diving into the parsing process, it's crucial to understand the basic structure of JSON data. A JSON object is built upon the following. Objects unordered set of key-value pairs enclosed in curly braces. Keys are strings, and values can be primitive data types, string, number, boolean, null, other JSON objects, or JSON arrays. Arrays ordered list of values enclosed in square brackets. Values can be any valid JSON data type, objects, arrays, or primitives. Primitives string sequence of Unicode characters enclosed in double quotes. Number integer or floating point number, example 123, 3.14, minus 10. Boolean true or false. Null. Example JSON data 2. Using org.json